In today's competitive landscape, quality is not just a desirable attribute, it's an imperative. Customers demand it. Businesses require it for survival. Quality, in its truest sense, is about meeting and exceeding expectations consistently. This is where the hierarchical quality model comes into play. This model provides a structured framework for understanding and achieving quality across all facets of an organization. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of various elements that contribute to overall quality. By understanding and implementing this model, organizations can move beyond simply inspecting for quality at the end of the production line. They can proactively build quality into every step of their operations. This proactive approach not only reduces defects and errors, but also enhances efficiency, reduces costs, and increases customer satisfaction. The model's power lies in its simplicity and comprehensiveness. It breaks down the seemingly complex concept of quality into manageable levels. Each level focuses on a specific aspect of the organization. By addressing quality at each of these levels, businesses can create a holistic quality management system. This system, in turn, enables them to consistently deliver products and services that meet and exceed customer expectations. At the core of the hierarchical quality model lies product quality. This level focuses on the tangible and intangible attributes of the goods or services an organization offers to its customers. It's about ensuring that every product or service meets predetermined specifications and fulfills its intended purpose effectively. Product quality is paramount because it directly impacts customer satisfaction and, ultimately, brand loyalty. Tangible aspects of product quality include factors like functionality, durability, reliability, and aesthetics. Customers expect products to perform their intended functions flawlessly, withstand reasonable wear and tear, and maintain their appearance over time. Intangible aspects, on the other hand, encompass elements like usability, customer service, and brand perception. To achieve high product quality, organizations need to focus on several key areas. Firstly, they must have a clear understanding of their target market and their specific needs and expectations. This understanding should drive product design and development. By actively listening to their customers and incorporating their feedback into product design and processes, organizations can continuously enhance product quality and stay ahead of evolving customer expectations. While product quality is paramount, it's important to remember that quality products are the result of quality processes. This brings us to the second level of the hierarchical quality model, process quality. This level focuses on the efficiency, effectiveness, and repeatability of the processes used to create products or deliver services. By optimizing processes, organizations can minimize variations, reduce defects, and ensure consistent quality output. Process quality encompasses all activities within an organization that contribute to the creation and delivery of products or services. One of the key principles of process quality is standardization. By establishing clear, documented procedures for each task, organizations can reduce variability and ensure that everyone is operating from the same playbook. Another crucial aspect of process quality is continuous improvement. By continuously analyzing processes, identifying bottlenecks, and implementing improvements, organizations can achieve significant gains in efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance overall quality. The final and most encompassing level of the hierarchical quality model is organizational quality. This level transcends individual products and processes. It focuses on the overall culture, leadership, and systems that drive quality within an organization. Organizational quality is about creating an environment where quality is not just a goal, but an ingrained value that permeates every aspect of the business. At the heart of organizational quality lies leadership commitment. Leaders must champion the importance of quality not just through words, but through actions. They need to set a clear vision for quality, communicate it effectively throughout the organization, and provide the necessary resources and support for its implementation. Organizational quality also encompasses establishing a robust quality management system, QMS. A well-defined QMS ensures that everyone in the organization understands their role in achieving quality goals. Section 5. The Synergy of Levels. A holistic approach to quality. The hierarchical quality model is not about focusing on one level in isolation. Its true power lies in the synergy between the three levels. product, process, and organizational quality. These levels are interconnected and interdependent. Improvements in one area inevitably lead to improvements in others, creating a virtuous cycle of quality enhancement. For instance, enhancing product quality often requires improvements in process quality. By standardizing procedures, implementing quality control measures, and empowering employees to identify and rectify issues, organizations can improve the consistency and reliability of their processes, leading to higher product quality. Similarly, organizational quality forms the foundation upon which both product and process quality are built. A strong quality culture, driven by leadership commitment and supported by a robust QMS, creates an environment where quality is everyone's responsibility. Section 6. Case Study Transforming Businesses Through the Hierarchical Model. The Hierarchical Quality Model has been successfully implemented by numerous organizations worldwide, leading to significant improvements in quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. One such example is Toyota, a company renowned for its exceptional quality and lean manufacturing practices. Toyota's success can be attributed, in part, to its unwavering commitment to the principles outlined in the model. At the product level, Toyota focuses on designing and manufacturing vehicles that are renowned for their reliability, durability, and fuel efficiency. This is achieved through rigorous testing, stringent quality control measures, and a deep understanding of customer needs. At the process level, Toyota pioneered the Toyota Production System, TPS, which emphasizes waste reduction, continuous improvement, and employee empowerment. TPS focuses on streamlining processes, eliminating bottlenecks, and empowering every employee to identify and rectify quality issues. At the organizational level, Toyota fosters a culture of quality that permeates every aspect of its business. Toyota's success story demonstrates the transformative power of the hierarchical quality model. Section 7. Implementing the model, a roadmap for success. Implementing the hierarchical quality model is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. The specific steps involved will vary depending on the organization's size, industry, and existing quality management practices. However, there are some general guidelines that can help businesses successfully navigate this journey. The first step is to establish a clear understanding of the model and its implications. This involves educating employees at all levels about the 3 levels of quality: product, process, and organizational, and how they interrelate. Next, organizations need to conduct a comprehensive assessment of their current quality management practices. This involves identifying strengths and weaknesses at each level of the model. Based on the assessment findings, organizations can develop a prioritized action plan for implementing the model. Section 8. Overcoming challenges. Navigating the path to quality. While the benefits of implementing the hierarchical quality model are undeniable, organizations may encounter challenges along the way. These challenges can stem from various sources, including resistance to change, lack of resources, or inadequate communication. Anticipating and addressing these challenges proactively is crucial for successful implementation. One common challenge is resistance to change. Employees may be accustomed to existing ways of working and resistant to adopting new processes or procedures. To overcome this, organizations need to communicate the rationale behind the changes clearly. Involving employees in the planning and implementation process can also foster buy-in and reduce resistance. Another challenge is the lack of resources, both financial and human. Implementing the model may require investments in training, technology, or additional personnel. Organizations need to allocate resources strategically and prioritize initiatives that will deliver the greatest impact. Section 9. The future of quality. Adapting to a dynamic landscape. The concept of quality is not static. It evolves alongside technological advancements, changing customer expectations, and emerging industry trends. As we look towards the future, the hierarchical quality model remains a relevant and adaptable framework for achieving quality excellence in a dynamic landscape. One significant trend impacting quality is the increasing digitization of products and processes. The rise of Industry 4.0, characterized by interconnected systems, data analytics, and automation, presents both opportunities and challenges for quality management. Organizations need to adapt their quality management systems to leverage these technologies effectively and ensure that quality is embedded in the design and development of digital products and services. Another trend is the growing emphasis on sustainability and social responsibility. Customers are increasingly conscious of the environmental and social impact of the products they purchase. Organizations need to incorporate sustainability considerations into their quality management practices. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing quality as a competitive advantage. In today's hyper-competitive business environment, quality is no longer a mere differentiator. It's a necessity for survival. The Hierarchical Quality Model provides a comprehensive framework for understanding and achieving quality across all levels of an organization. By embracing the principles outlined in the model, businesses can transform themselves into quality-driven organizations, gaining a significant competitive edge. The model's emphasis on the interconnectedness of product, process, and organizational quality highlights the importance of a holistic approach. Organizations cannot achieve sustainable quality by focusing on just one aspect in isolation. They need to address all three levels simultaneously, creating a cohesive system where each level reinforces and supports the others. Implementing the Hierarchical Quality Model is not a one-time initiative. It's an ongoing journey of continuous improvement. By investing in quality, organizations are investing in their long-term success and sustainability.